I have always loved sketchbooks, art books, art journals, but over the years, I have also found a surprising sense of freedom in painting on loose sheets of paper. There is something so liberating about having a large open surface without the boundaries of a book, where I can paint freely, I can freely move my hands and my body and let the painting evolve. But I also love the feeling of holding a finished book in my hand and continuing to work inside it. Unfolding was born from wanting to bring these two things together: the freedom of painting on loose sheet and the joy of creating an artist book. So instead of starting with a blank sketchbook, we begin with one large painted sheet and then fold and cut and transform it into a small art book. I love that the book is almost discovered rather than constructed. What begins as one expansive painted surface becomes pages, spreads, and a little world of its own, ready for more mark making, collage, writing, journaling, and further layers. So, this class is an invitation to explore the freedom of painting loose on a blank sheet of paper and the joy of discovering an art book within it. I hope you are excited to explore this freedom and you are going to join me in this class.